Hi everyone, this is me Bilal Malik. In this article, you will learn how to use transistor as a switch. If you watching my video first time, you probably don't know about me. I am Bilal Malik from microcontrollerslab.com. I usually write articles related to microcontrollers, uh, microcontroller based projects, PIP microcontrollers, AVR microcontrollers, and power electronics and inverters. If you want to visit my website, you can go to this link, microcontrollerslab.com, and here you will find a lot of tutorials and projects related to microcontrollers, embedded systems, solars, and power electronics. So let's come to the point. In this video you will learn how to use transistor as a switch. So as you know, we are using NPN transistor. As you know, there are two types of transistor. One is NPN, another is PNPN. And the difference between NPN and PNP transistor is that it operates with 5 volt, and it will turn on when there is 0 volt at its input. And in this tutorial I will be using only NPN transistor. As you know, this is the symbol of NPN transistor. This is called base, this is emitter, and this is collector. So when we in case of NPN transistor, when we apply, and if we are connected this with the ground, and here we connected some kind of load, and here we connected let's suppose 12 volt supply. For example, this is load. If we apply 5 volt at this input, it will turn on, and collector to emitter terminal will become short circuit, and current will flow from this resistor to the ground. When there is 0 volt at this input, there will be commutator to emitter terminal will be open circuit, and there will be no flow of current. So for example, in this circuit diagram we are connected 12 volt to this motor, and we are controlling this motor through a transistor, and we are connected this a transistor to a microcontroller input. When microcontroller signal is high, 5 volt will appear across this resistor or at the base of this NPN transistor, and it will turn on, and it will become short circuit, and current will follow from this way to this way, and this way and this way, and into the ground. But when this zero logic low level signal is appear across the input, it means 0 volt will appear across the input, and when 0 volt will appear across this input, it will become open circuit, and there is no path for the current to flow, and motor will be off. So simply you can use transistor as a switch if you want to control your load from the microcontroller. Let's run the simulation of this circuit. For example, I have designed this circuit in Proteus. Let's run this simulation, and in this simulation we're using motor as an inductive load. As you know, there is 0 input, so motor is stop. There is no motion in motor. If we give 1 input, a motor will start rotating. And why motor is start rotating? Because this transistor is on, and in on state this transistor will act as a short circuit, and there is a path for the flow of the current. Similarly, when this is off, motor will stop. When this is on, motor will be on. And where we are using this diode, because motor is an inductive load, and it's when it may produce back EMF which may affect our circuitry. So we are using BEF EMF suppression diode because it will provide a path of back EMF current, path for back EMF current, or it is also known as freewheeling diode. If you want to check the simulation, or you can visit the link of my blog, where I have written a complete article on how to use transistor as a switch. Link of this article is given in the description of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Keep visiting my blog for more information related to electronics and microcontrollers. Kindly don't forget to subscribe my blog for future videos. Thanks.